Do you think remote jobs really works? Right? You must have seen hundreds of videos on YouTube, right? As a remote engineer, I'm doing freelancing work, I'm doing multiple things, right? What is the reality of this remote jobs right now in the 2024 or 25? As a normal software engineer, as a tester or as a developer, right? Are we really getting the remote jobs or not? What is the current state of remote jobs right now in the market? I'm going to discuss a very harsh things today because many students were asking me these things, right? Promo sir, do tell us the reality of remote jobs. Guys, it is super important video. Okay, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me tell you what is the reality of remote jobs right now in the market, right? You must have seen maximum number of companies like TCS, service-based companies, maximum companies nowadays are asking for full 5-day work from office. Okay, so if you are searching for work from home, I have some bad news for you because remote jobs are very less right now in the market. You must have seen, I have seen very few companies, good product-based companies, now they have switched to the remote jobs, but rest of the companies of service-based and maximum number of companies are basically asking for the work from home. So I have a very bad news on this case, right? One thing I want to highlight, okay, there are a lot of students of mine, for example, there are mothers who are looking for work from home jobs, right? And I have seen it, right? Because guys, I have taught more than 2000 plus students and we were also facing struggle to find the remote jobs for them. It was very difficult to find freelancing projects, remote jobs, because there are limitations are very less. For example, last 3 companies that I have worked on, Wingify, BrowserStack and Techion. Apart from Techion, both of the companies like Wingify and BrowserStack still are remote. They have hired a good number of people in the remote, but the companies are very less. What do you mean by this is, if I'll give you a good product company list that I have already shared multiple times, right, with you guys, I will share with you in the description also. In that sheet, right, I have more than 150 plus companies who are asking for work from home or work from office basically, but there are only 50 companies who are basically going for the remote job. So you can now understand the ratio is very different, right? We had 150 jobs where people are asking for work from office. We have only 30 to 40 jobs where we have remote jobs. So reality, if you see, right, people are saying, okay, remote jobs are increasing in 2024 and everything, and actually it is reverse, where even when I am trying to find as a QA, if I try to find any remote job for a QA, right, it is very difficult to find it, to be honest. The very less number of good product based companies are there and maximum of them are asking for work from office, guys. This is the harsh reality. It doesn't matter if you are from TCS or service company like Accenture, Infosys and everything. You must know, right? You already know your friends and everything, right? They work from office is the go. Everyone is asking for it. Probably some of the companies are right now on the hybrid model, but maximum companies, they are also just basically they showing that, okay, Microsoft, Google, if I talk about, like, I have many friends as a software developer also, right? They are saying that, okay, no, we are right now in the hybrid model, but probably in this September or probably this year end, we will be in the full 5-day work from office. Overall reality is different, right? As well as if you see the simple reality of remote jobs, right? We have communication challenges, collaboration challenges, time zone differences, right? Network dependency, security concerns, distraction at home, right? And difficulty in maintaining the work-life balance also with the remote job that we have seen, right? So again, if I give you in a nutshell, in a small video, that remote jobs reality, especially for QA as well as developer, guys, the percentage is very low. If you have seen my good company list, overall in a conclusion, if I say, right, there are very less number of remote jobs. Even when I try to find any remote jobs, right, there are hard. It is very hard to get into it. I have seen where there are a lot of people creating YouTube videos. Okay, I got this package, go for remote jobs. But trust me, it is reverse in the market. They have not, those people are cream of it, but we are average people, guys. Average people are not getting the remote jobs. Trust me on the system. As an IT engineer, it is difficult to get a remote job nowadays. If you agree with this point, do let me know in the chat also, right? This is the harsh reality right now in the 2024. Getting a remote job in QA is super hard, guys. It is super hard. I have seen, for example, in Wingify, when we have only one opening for remote job, right? I was just talking to my colleagues and HRs on the Wingify. They said, Pramod, we are getting more than 1000 plus application for one job opening of, because we are remote based company. Whereas if you are a normal company, you are getting less number of application as compared to that. Okay, so you can imagine that how desperate people are for the remote jobs, right? So competition is high, number of openings are less, and everyone is targeting remote jobs, which is making it very difficult to get in nowadays, especially for QA, especially for developers also in this case, right? If you agree with this point, do let me know in the yes and give me a like if you agree with this point. Okay, but my recommendation overall in this case is, if you are looking for remote job, it's a good to have, right? But side by side, look for a hybrid model as well as a work from home office also. It is the time where you get the job first, you can figure it out the other things. I know there are people who have some medical conditions automation and some other things, right? There you need to target for the remote jobs, but the duration for getting a job will be a little long as compared to that. Okay, I remember there are a couple of my students also who are targeting remote based companies, and 5 months, 6 months, 3 months they are still struggling to get a remote jobs as a QA, which is very difficult nowadays, right? But whereas other people who are open for the work from office, they already got a job within a span of 1 month or 2 months. So this is how their harsh reality is. I hope this makes sense. This is the video about the reality of the remote jobs. Do let me know what's your point. Are you getting the remote jobs easily in the market? What's your view? Just tell me in the chat. I think it's very difficult. As well as I will be adding the good product list as well as good remote jobs company that I think you should target as a QA, which I'm going to mention in the pinned comment. Do let me know and give me a like in the video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you got some value from this, and in the end I would say stay awesome.